Hi everyone. So I am Kotav. So from the Kotav management. So I am continuing with the Java 8 features. So in previous two lectures, I have discussed about the functional interfaces, the predefined functional interface and the methods. So there I have discussed about some functional interfaces like predicate, uh, supplier, consumer, function, by predicate, by function, these things. So today I am discussing with lambda expressions, the basic parts of the lambda expressions. So why this lambda expression came and how this lambda expression came. So basically, lambda calculus is a big change in the mathematical world, and right, from the mathematical view to our coding view, it's very much interconnected. Like we solve any problem uh, in a mathematical view as well as some coding views. So for doing any coding, before that we need to think about it, and we need to think about the mathematical expressions and all. So in 1930, it was introduced. So because of the benefits of that lambda calculus, slowly this concept started being used in the programming world as well. So Lisp, this is the first programming language. So which used that lambda expression, and after that many other programming languages like C, C++, C Sharp, .NET, C Objective, Python, Ruby, and yeah, absolutely Java as well. So today we will discuss and also continue our Java 8 features. So Java also introduced many days ago, but in the Java 8 they have introduced the lambda expressions, and it helped us to reduce our boilerplate code. So let's go. So what we will discuss? We will discuss about why we use the lambda expression in Java, what is a lambda expression is, how to write the lambda expressions, then the lambda expression in Java as a method in Java. So from this we will discuss uh, in future lectures. So today mainly first three parts means why we use lambda expression, what is lambda expression, and how to write or how to reduce from a legacy code to our code with the lambda expressions. So we will mainly focus on these parts, and after that we will discuss the latter parts as well. So first of all, why we use the lambda expression in Java. So the main focus of introducing the lambda expression is to promote the benefits of the functional programming in Java. So Java follows more object oriented programming. Right? Java is not a pure object oriented language. So to show that, like, it has some functional programming features as well. So to show that approach, we use mainly the lambda expression as well. So with the introduction of that functional interface and lambda expression, we cannot make the Java a fully functional programming language as well. So uh, this lambda expression in Java, it was to include some features of a functional programming like other language like C and also other things. So we can just show that it has some functional features as well. It's not a pure programming language. So it will be the one important point that when anyone will ask you like why Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language. So you can include that. We can use that lambda expression, and there the pure object-oriented features are not being used there, right? Okay. So next is what is the lambda expression is. So this is basically a nameless function. So the function which does not have any name, any return type, or any access modifier. is not there. So this is also known as the anonymous function or closures. So we basically use the lambda expression in Java when we provide an implementation of the functional interface. So this is also the new feature of Java 8. So during the discussion of the functional interface, I have also told you like this functional interface and lambda expressions are internally connected each other. So we use mainly this lambda expression with the functional interface. So lambda expression in Java can also be used in a method as an argument, which is one of the important feature of functional programming as the primary focus of Java 8. So it provides a clear and concise way to represent one method interface using an expression only. Also, it is very useful in collection and stream APIs as well. So it should not be an exaggeration to say that lambda expression in Java is the biggest feature of Java 8. This is not, but it's important. So then how to write the lambda expression in Java 8? So you can see that this is our legacy code. So that the access specifier is private, the return type is void, and method name is add. And what are the parameters like int x and int y? Two x and y variables are there. So there data type also mentioned like int. And after that, we are printing the sum of these two parameters by x plus y. So first of all, we will do like remove the access modifiers. So our access modifier was private. So we will remove that one. So void add, then int x comma int y, then system out dot println x plus y. After that, we will remove the return type. So return type was void. So we have removed that one as well. Next, we will remove the method name. So add was the method name. So now method name is also not there. Next, what we will do? We will insert the symbol, this arrow sign. So in between this int x int y and system out dot println, we will use that lambda expression. This arrow sign is the lambda. And after that, we'll remove the parameter types and parameters. Okay. So here the parameter type was int, and we have also removed that one. So only simply x comma y, and from that we are just printing the sum of that x and y. So step by step I will also show you. Like, so first remove the access modifier, then next remove the return type, and then remove the method name as well. After that, insert the arrow sign between the remaining method declaration and body. And if compiler is also able to identify the type of the parameters, that it is the integer, then you can also remove the type as well. And here, so from that big boilerplate, means this private void add int I in j system out dot println I plus j. So from that it became so short, right? I comma j, so then arrow, then just it's printing the sum of these two variables. Okay, so only one statement is there. So we may also remove the parenthesis as well. So we can remove that parenthesis. So just I comma j, then arrow system out dot println I plus j. Okay. So in this way, we can simplify our codes. We can remove some lines of codes and it will be easy to see. So so some two examples are there. So suppose this is the void method, public void in1 method is there, and it's printing that like hello Java 8. So we will do right. We will remove that uh, access specifier, then methods as well, and method name as well. Sorry, return type as well, and method name as well. So we will only write this function. So can you see any function name? So there is no function name, right? So for that reason, we can say it as the anonymous function. Okay, so only this parenthesis, and then means only that function, and then arrow, then system output println hello Java 8. Then another is to multiply two numbers. So here also we will remove the access specifier, then the return type, then the function or method name. So we will take the parameters only, int a comma int b, and then we just return the multiplication of two variables. And if the compiler will able to know that what is the type of that arguments or parameters, so we will do just in this way, like a comma b, and after that it will return the multiply of a and b. So it will be more simplified, right? So in this way we can use basically the uh, lambda expression. So for the next part we will discuss in the next lectures. Thanks.